Get the mask out of the bag. Okay, but I got the mask, but how should I wear it? Very sure. Which one is hard, which one is soft? I feel this one is hard and this one is softer. And then the soft one has to shove it at the bottom, the hard at the top. You'll do the first here and the other. One next. Open. Press. That's how you wear a mask. Okay, we got our mask on. Raya, do you have any sanitizer on your bag? Yes, I do, but how am I gonna use it? You take it and open it up, put it a little bit. Scrub it on your hands everywhere. There we go. Raya, do you know why we put sanitizer? No. It comes from the germs in your hands. Now I know that. Raya, if you don't have any water, you will use the sanitizer. If you have water, you can wash it with the soap. Oh, now I know that too. Okay. Come on, Yara, let's go outside. Wait. What? Please don't forget to put space. At least 2 meters. Guys, don't forget to not touch your face. Especially not to touch mouth, nose,